Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video, we are going to see how to send invite via Google Calendar and that too using Gmail. So open your Gmail and on the right hand side, you will see a calendar option like this. You can click and it will open like this. So if you want to modify or create an invite, you can either use this or you can also click on this button. So it will open your Google Calendar in a different tab altogether. So this is much more easier to handle. So it's better you can click and open this. And in case you want to change the view of this calendar, you can go here and click. You can create a monthly view like this or a yearly view or a daily view, right? So it's better to keep it as a weekly view. You will get a glance of 7 days. Now on 14th October 2024, if I want to create an invite, for example, the invite is for 3 p.m. So I'll go and click over here. As soon as you click on this area, a different page like this will open and you can add the meeting name here. You can add the meeting name and then you can also select the date because date is already selected and that is 14th October 2024. So we can keep it as it is. And if I want to change the time, you can go here and click on this. Now I'll want it from 3 p.m. and from 3 p.m. I want it at 3:30 p.m. If you want it for all day, you can click on this and this will change accordingly and just untick it and it will come to the previous time. In case if you have people who are in different time zone, you can click here and you can also set a different time zone altogether. If you have multiple people with various time zones, then you can click on this and you can set accordingly. So in this case, it is only one time zone. So I'll just cancel it. Now in this part, you can just click and add the email address you want. In case this is the email address, so you can just click it like this, right? So any email address which is in your contacts or you have communicated via pings or you have received emails, they might populate in this area. So you can directly add them in this particular section. And in case if you want to mark them as optional, that is also there. You can just click on this. Now there is an option to give permission to the invites. Like for example, if any of the invites wants to modify the event, they can modify it, right? So to give that permission, you have to click on the modify event checkbox here, right? And once it is done, you can add a location if it is required, else you can just have a description here. The agenda of the meeting is, and if there is any attachment, you can just upload the attachment from here. Okay, now if you want to see the entire setting page in a different window, you can just click more options and it will open it in a more detailed way. So the settings are same, the meeting name, the date, month, time of the meeting, start date, end date, all day. If it is not, then untick. Do not repeat. If you want to repeat this again and again, you can just select the options from the drop down. Then you have an area where you can put the agenda of the meeting as well. And on the right hand side, you can add more guests from here and the settings for the guests as well. With this setting, you can just go and click on save and it is suggested that you click on send so that everyone knows that they are in this meeting. So if you go to the Gmail and if you open it again, you can see that this is the current time. The red line is the current time and 3 p.m. This is your scheduled meeting and this meeting will appear in all the calendars for whom you have sent the invite. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.